Because the wheels short the rails together, and then it sets up red signals behind you.
Oh, I see.
But the cab signal does similar things, but instead of setting track circuits and setting up trip levels, it goes up the red signal. They pass around these.
I'd like to welcome you all aboard to
just like in church.
Centennial Loop L Centennial in honor of the 100th anniversary of Loop Elevated. I'd like to know what the Chicago Architecture Foundation. And I'm going to tell you a little bit of history about the Loop and about the car that we're riding in. The car that you're riding in was built between 1922 and 1924. It's an all-steel car, and it replaced some of the very early Bush cars, like the #1 car, which you saw right across the street, or across the tracks in the Quincy and Wells station. The colors in the car are the colors of the Chicago Transit Company, which was the predecessor company to the CTA, which operated the
When will they get rid of what?
The time the Loop Elevated system opened in 1897, much of Chicago's elevated system had already been built. Southside Elevated Railway opened in 1892. It was attended in 1893 to the Columbian Exposition. Following fall in November of 1893, the Lake Street line opened up. And in 1895, the Metropolitan West Side Elevated lines, which comprised the Douglas Park and the Logan Square and the Garfield line, also opened up.
What is your left hand touching?
The bar, so I don't fall off the track.
However,
my left has
the control, and they were all, none of them were interconnected. They're all owned by separate companies. Now, this was not a problem in 1890. The early 1890s, when they all first began operation, because I got four positions with steam locomotives. They had a speed advantage over other forms of public transportation. I got four positions. Like the cable car usually ran at 9 miles an hour. Now we're at 5 miles an hour. However, by the middle of the year,
I threw off some air.
began to
off about 4
miles with electric street cars. They replaced some of the thinking cars and horse cars. Electric street cars would run at 25 miles an hour. And
I was running at 15 miles an hour.
And it was the
although I had a 10-mile-an-hour restriction around the curve,
Chicago streetcar
not at the curve.
that drew to Chicago in 1894 Charles Tyson Yerkes and a Philadelphia group of investors wanted
I'm at the curve and I'm going 10.
some of these lines on the west side.
I got some rail fans.
Purchased basically the elevated
So I'll purposely make a stop or go very slow to make it a better picture since they're not taking any movies.
on the west side.
Wave to
And you don't realize that there were tremendous profits that could be made in Chicago elevated operations if the elevated lines could be brought into the loop.